So we're here with Michael. We just finished the inversion seminar, but it was Spotlight Imagery, and Michael does a lot with energy work here at Elevation and in Albuquerque, and the things that you were just saying really clued me in that your experience was like true, like you're not like bullshitting me, you know, because, you know, how would you describe the experience of the spotlights?
Well, when we were doing the muscle isolation exercises with the spotlighting and the breath, I could really feel a change in the way that my body relaxed. But it wasn't just the muscles in my body, it was like an energetic shift. Mm-hmm. And because I do energy work, you can kind of tell when certain parts of your body are kind of getting cleared from the stuck energy that's in the muscles, that's in the joints. Yeah. And so I could really feel that, and it was really impressive to see that with just a minimal amount of time. My shoulder was injured several years ago, and it hasn't quite been right. I can still do everything I need to do, but sometimes reaching, it's a little stiff. Yeah. And it feels much more fluid, much more loose.
That's incredible.
And my energy felt really good. I felt really relaxed and really grounded, but I also felt somewhat energized and strong. Like I didn't feel tired, and it seemed to have a really profound effect.
Totally.
Without doing much at all.
Yeah. So basically, the spotlight imagery is a technique that David Garrigues showed me, and I have a full video lesson series on my website about it. And yeah, it's a full body mudra. You know, it's excellent. So if you've seen me talk about it, if you've heard me mention the spotlight imagery, this is a testimonial of what it's like to learn that sequence. And all we did today was shoulder stand and headstand, plus a couple like seated and standing poses. So I mean, it applies to all yoga postures. You find those spotlights in lotus or a back bend, and it creates a 360 awakening of the joint space. And so the full diaphragm can wake up, or the full plateau of the tibia, or the full first rib circle, which has all the shoulder girdle and so many neck muscles attached to it. And that's kind of a goal of asana, is that alertness with relaxation. And that's an edge, a knife edge to flirt with, of being alert but not tense, being relaxed but not lazy. So you're like right on that edge of like, I'm alert, but it's no problem, dude. You know, so that was cool.
It was very good, thank you. I highly recommend Chris's work.
Yeah.
And everybody else responded well too in the group.
It was a blessing. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Yeah.